Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about adding a column in a data frame and modifying the existing column in a data frame. So let me take you straight away to the notes. This is the notes I've got. Just give me a moment. So adding a new column. This highlight this. Okay. Following are the ways to add a new column. So case one. If we have to add the column with the same value. Now there are two cases. One is if we have to add the column with the same value, and if we have to add the column with different values inside it. So let's see. So here there are these are the three ways through which we can. The first is data frame name, column name is equal to value. Then I can use LOC attribute. Okay, this LOC. This is a colon sign. This is for row. Row I have left blank. Then comma. Then I've given column name under inverted comma. Then I can use add function as well. But what I would suggest, अगर हमें नया column add करना है तो I'll use this. Okay, this is the most common method that we use. Okay, so let's talk about the first case. So I'll go to Python. Let me create a pandas as pd. Okay, now this is the data frame that I've got. Okay, the columns that we have got is T section D, 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 and these are the marks, the name and the marks. Okay, so let me create this data frame. I've already created. I will not talk about this because I've already spoken about the data frame creation. So let me paste it in Python. So I'll paste it. Okay, let me hit enter. Let me just give df1. Okay, let me print it. So this is the data frame that I've got. Now the question is, I want to add a new column maths. Okay, let me write it here. Let us add a new column maths. Okay, having same marks for all these sections. Okay, so what I'll be doing is that I'll be using this method, which I've highlighted. This I'll be using mostly. You can try with LOC as well as add attribute. It will produce the same result. So maths मुझे नया column add करना है. So what I'll do, data frame name. Data frame name is df1. Then I will give this bracket. Then maths. I want to keep m as in small. Maths is equal to, let's say I give the marks as 67. Now let me hit enter. Now once I do this, a new column maths will be added, which will have value as 67. So I will simply type df1. See, we added a new column maths. Let me highlight it. Okay. So, and we have the same values in the entire column. Okay. Now the next question is, add a new column total. Total T is capital, which is sum of PHY, CHE, BIO and maths column. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to add a new column total, okay, which is the sum of PHY, CHEs, BIO and maths column. So we have already created these columns. Now I want a total column. So what is the df1 is the name, then I will start this bracket, then total P capital, I want total, then this, then df1 P is in small letter. Okay, see P is in small letters, so that is why मैंने phy small letters में type किया. Okay, then again I will type df1 che, C is in small letter. Okay, then again df1 bio B is in small letter. Then again df1 maths. Okay, so I have done this. Now let me hit enter. Now let me print df1. So I've got a column total. Okay, a new column has been added, total, and it is the total of all these subjects. Okay, total marks in all the subject. Suppose we add a new column percentage. Now just give me a moment. Let us add a new column percentage. Let us add a new column percentage. Okay, which will calculate the percentage. Okay, this is what we are going to do. So now how many subjects do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 subjects. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've just highlighted these subjects: PHY, CHE, Bio, and Maths. We will divide it by 4. So let me df1. Let me type P as in capital. I am taking is equal to df1. Then I'll take total. Then I will take divided by 4. Okay, let me hit enter. Now let me print df1. So I've got the percentage here. A new column has been added. So this is how we do it. So you know how to add a new column. Okay, now I'll add another column with different values inside it. So if I want to add a new column with different values inside it, this is what we will do. I'll just highlight this one. Okay, we'll separate different values by comma. So let's say I want to add a subject. Let me add it. EM, 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 EM English, E small English. I'm okay is equal to. Let me give different values. So how many values do we have to give? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to give 4 values. So let me give 4 different marks. Whatever marks I want: 44, 50, 38. Okay, 38. Okay, 38. Okay. Now let me hit enter. Okay, let me print df1 here. English, a new column has got added, which has got different values inside it. Okay, so this is how we add different values to it. Now let's go to the notes. I'll talk about the okay. So I can use LOC add modifying an existing column. So if you look here, I have added 2 more things. I have added this ILOC and then I add as well. Okay, you can use these 5 methods, but let us talk about this used existing column with the same values. Okay, so I'll go to Python. Now existing column, suppose I have to CHE is an existing column. I have to change the marks. Let's say I have to if I write like this df1 CHE, okay, and I type it as 56, and if I type it like this CHE, if you, I'll just highlight this. Okay, just highlight this 56, 56, 56, 56. Okay, we've got 56 in all the columns. Now if you want to modify with different values, now I'll again do it on CHE. Let me put different values. So I'll again write it the same CHE, then I will again use a list. So I have to add 4 values. So let me 32, 44, 55, 66. Okay. Now let me print df1. Now see, if you look here in chemistry CHE, we have got different values. Now one very important thing to I'll just make a note of it. Okay, like I have entered 4 values. In case if I enter 3 values, so that will be an error. Why? Because we have 4 values, so we have to enter 4 values. We cannot enter 3 or we cannot enter 5 values. So let me hit enter. Okay, let me, it's doing something. So let me highlight the error. Okay, see, this is the error. Length of values does not match length of index. So always make sure that when you are adding different values, it should match with the length of index. So that's it for today. I hope that you have understood how to add a new column with the same value, how to add a new column with different values, with same value, how to modify an existing column with different values. End, 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 end. So I'll be coming up with new video again. Thank you so much.